Everyone, this is Kibo Vlogs, a Filipino actor based in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin reaction video, ang Dawn Bell compilation. So I won't take any longer. Let's start this reaction video. Ano mga ganap na bago ng Dawn Bell? Tingnan natin. Ay, patingin. Ay! Endgame is real. Luhaan na naman to si Edmond kasi walang bago si Edmond eh. Si Edmond puro siya ano tawag nito, ang chika niya puro, what do you call this? SL, kung ano-ano na lang, mga pangmatanda, charis. Magko-comment na naman siya SL, ano natin siya. Matanda na kasi, charis na, amoy lupa na. Ay, chika lang. Ano, Edmond, masakit? Charis. SL pa more. Moment kung moment sila, oh. Di ba? Oh. Moment ang Dawn Bell, no? Kala mo naman talaga walang bukas. Ay, oh my God, ito na, nag-perform na si Bell. Ala, papanoorin ko talaga to. Humanda. La 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 la. Ay, ganda ni Belle. Pak! Asan si Donnie? Ay, ayan na naman sila. Ayan na naman sila. Chika-chika. Diyan lang sila sa gilid. Chika-chika lang sila. Charis. Chika-chika lang sila. Ganun lang talaga ang atake ng mga loki-loki. Ganun talaga. Wala na tayong magagawa dyan. Tama ba yun, ma'am? Wala na tayong magagawa dyan sa mga loki-loki. Ay. Ay, sino? Sino?
Again, mga kapamilya, palakpakan po natin, Mr. Eric Santos. One of the pride of ASAP XP talaga.
A great supply of air kanina with the girls. A great supply of air. Oh my God!
Okay.
Medyo lag ako ngayon. Pero talking about one of the suppliers na nagbibigay talaga ng talagang matinding fun, excitement, and amazing energy sa ating ASAP XP stage. We got the dude right here, OG of ASAP himself, Mr. Martin Rivera.
Thank you, Ronnie.
We got one of the OGs of ASAP.
OG. I thought OG was OG Alcacid.
OG Alcacid.
Hindi din ako. Salamat naman. You know, people are asking, I was talking with Belle earlier, she's talking about how some people have been here all their lives. Some of them are, how many people are homesick? Sino mga homesick dito? Minimiss mo talaga yung Pilipinas. Some of them, some of my fans, the OG fans, are the fans who gave birth to your fans.
Yes.
Country and home
Totoo naman.
to make Australia what it is today. Give yourselves a round of applause, people. The hardworking Filipinos all over the world, especially in Australia. And speaking of Australia, I will be here in October. Oh, wow. Yes, great segue, Mark. In Sydney, I'll be here in Melbourne and in Darwin. The dates are flashing as we speak on your screens. Tickets are now available at Eventbrite. Please buy your tickets. The name of the show is Good Day, Mart.
Good night, Mark!
Good day, Mark. Cutie.
Art. Pero ito naman, alam niyo through the years, iba't ibang generations ng artists ang nakapag-perform sa ASAP stage.
Ang susunod natin ay isa ring OG.
Sino?
Susunod natin ay isang OG as a performer mula pa sa Street Boys!
Hi.
Oh my gosh! Please welcome the Sample King, John Hilario!
Andyan din si Jong sa Australia. Andyan din pala si Jong. Okay. Ay, eto. Tingnan natin. Ay, babe, halika. Dito ka lang sa tabi ko, sabi. Charay. Saan ka ba naglulusot? Dapat dito ka sa tabi ko. Oh my God. Donnie Pangilinan is very territorial. I love it. You're much better. Ganun talaga. Our second. This time will never end. Donnie is very territorial, no? Sana all. Binibaby niya kasi nga talaga. Wala na tayo magagawa kung binibaby niya talaga. Di ba, ma'am? Saan tayo dalahin? Maybe too much was. Ay, ito. Tingnan natin ito. Donnie, what are you looking at? Siya nakatingin kay Belle? Belinda. Sorry, si Melanie. Si Melanie ba yun? Ay, si Kai pala yan. Nakala ko si Piang. Iba na talaga sila. Yes, Donnie Pangilinan. Yes, Donnie Pangilinan. Sa'yo lahat yan. Yan ang sinasabi ko. Charas! Passing time. Okay. Ay. Low-key. Low-key talagang atake nila. No? Anyway, so this is our for today's video from Don Val. This is Kiko Vlogs. See you in the next one. Bye.